Activate elbow rocket. Boom! This is the 1 minute review of Pacific Rim. Currently in theaters, starring people you've never heard of. Idris Elba, the guy from Sons of Anarchy, is in here too. All kinds of really good actors, actually. And directed by Guillermo del Toro, who I love, directed Pan's Labyrinth and Hellboy, whatnot. So I was not going to go see Pacific Rim because the trailer the trailer's just horrible. Like, it was just like, oh, look, stuff blowing up, that looks terrible. But Pete said that we should see it. And so I was like, all right, fine. So me and Matt and Pete, we went to go see it. And guess what? It was kind of awesome. I'm just going to tell you, it was kind of awesome. Here is what was wrong with Pacific Rim. The writing is pretty wooden. And so if you know the way movies are written, if you ever thought about that, you're going to see the script. Basically, you're going to see like, okay, and now this happens, and now this happens, and now this happens, and you're going to see that. The characterization of the humans was not fantastic. There was definitely some not great acting going on, which I usually blame on the director. And so, yes, so there is that, for sure. And here's the deal, okay? At one point, there is a giant robot, battling it out with a giant sea monster. And the robot is just completely thrashed. And one of the pilots says to the other, like, we're out, we're done, we've got nothing left. And the other says, we have one thing left. And all of a sudden, you see a button that literally says on it the word sword. And so someone pushes the button, and this giant robot, this giant sword comes out of its arm, and it's like, whoa, whoa, whoa. If you don't think that's awesome, then you will not like this movie. But if you think that sounds awesome, you will totally like this movie. This is something I said about Thor, the movie Thor, when it came out a couple years ago. I said that Thor was the best possible movie from that source material. Like, the comic book Thor is, in my mind, pretty terrible. If your source material is giant Japanese-style robots piloted by humans battling giant sea monsters who are actually trans-dimensional aliens. If that's your source material, this is probably the best movie you're going to get out of that source material. Like, it was kind of fantastic. I had a ridiculous amount of fun. Sometimes, like, a bad line would be delivered, and I think that was funny. Sometimes I'd, like, oh, well, of course, this one's nuclear. Of course it's nuclear. I'm like, okay, yeah, no, I got that. Honestly, I had a ton of fun in the movie theater.